Green Creative is proud to introduce the new MiniFIT family of downlights, a collection of small form factor fixtures that provide high quality lighting for your commercial and residential projects. The MiniFIT family consists of a 1-inch gimbal, a 2-inch gimbal, and a 2-inch mini module. Each fixture is small enough to practically disappear in the ceiling when installed, but powerful enough to provide plenty of accent light for even the most demanding architectural applications. The 1-inch and 2-inch gimbals are available in matte white finish, while the 2-inch mini module is available in several trim and finish options. Finishes include brushed metal or matte white with open trim options allowing for static, gimbal, pinhole, or wall wash, and closed glass lens trims that provide a wet location rating. With spring action clips, push-in, and quick connectors, installation of the MiniFIT family is a breeze. Simply connect the external power to the driver via push-in connectors. Then connect the fixture to the driver via quick connect cord. And finally insert the fixture into the ceiling via spring action clips. Lastly, aim the fixture to illuminate the desired space. At less than 4 inches deep, the entire MiniFIT family can fit in the tightest of spaces. From ceilings to casework, soffits to shelves, the MiniFIT family provides high-quality light where you need it most, serving endless commercial and residential applications. The new MiniFIT Series from Green Creative. Small form factor, allowing it to install in tight spaces with multiple CCT options, 90 CRI, high lumen output up to 900 lumens with multiple dimming options, and it's IC rated. Contact your local Green Creative representative today to learn more about the MiniFIT family of products or visit our website at greencreative.com.